We start the single pigeon to split series by inverting into a straddle. Take your right leg straight in the fabric and then the left leg as well. Bend your right knee, get the fabric snug behind the knee. Pull up and press away with the left toe at the same time to come into a split variation of single pigeon. You want to open your splits very well before you try this and make sure your hamstrings and back are very warm. From there, reach up with your left hand, push the left knee outside the fabric to get a lock under your left foot. Take the fabric under your right foot in the center arch of the foot. You want to pull up and twist your hips towards the left side to come into a full split. Make sure you're very warm before you try this entire trick. From there, sit back, release the leg. You want to take the fabric back under from the foot to come back to the same position. Extend your left leg. You're going to slide down and come into a slide, hip key, and slowly from there you can come out of it. Time for some slow motion tips, everyone. So once you're in the straddle, make sure the back of the knees are straight and the feet are pointed. Shoot your right leg straight up inside the fabric. And the same thing with the left leg. You almost want to imagine that the foot is wrapping around the fabric. Then you just bend the right knee, get the fabric behind the knee, climb up only from the right side. Now, very important will be this foot on the fabric. It needs to push away as you pull up at the same time to ensure the safety of your knee in this inward rotation. From here, you push the fabric away to come into a split variation of the single pigeon. Now from there, you will take your left hand on the left side of the fabric. Even here, make sure your foot is very active and you're pulling up to protect your knee in this rotation. Get the knee outside the fabric to create a lock under your foot. Now, I take the right fabric in the center arch of the right foot. If I've taken it under the right foot, I will twist my hips to the left side. Pull up to make space for the split to happen, and at the same time twist your body to go into a split from the left side and press the pelvis down. Let the elbows lengthen. If the elbows are bent, that's going to be even more stress on your shoulders that you want to avoid. Very nice work so far, everyone. Now, to come out of it, you will again try to do a slight pull-up. Make sure the left knee still goes outside the fabric. Release the fabric from under the right foot. You want to bring it back under. Take the right leg inside the fabric to release it and come back to the beginning position. Bring both hands slowly to the left side of the fabric. From there, you gently want to extend your left leg. The lock will naturally open, and the moment the foot unveils, turn your right leg to go into a slight hip key. If you want to see how to do a hip key, I am attaching the link below for the tutorial on hip key, which you can try as well. And then slowly, when to stand down, you're going to directly come out of it.